Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Try Tuesday, and this is hosted by Samie from Unicorn Dust Designs and co-hosted by Annie from Indiana Jones. If you haven't already, please be sure to visit their channels. The links of their channels are found in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. This is the final reveal of my window pane decor. And this one is inspired from Samie's Unicorn Dust and Design. I wanted to create a window flower box from a long time, and I grabbed the opportunity for Try Tuesday and also use her idea here. And then basically how she did was like attach 4 of those picture frames which are in brown color, which had some texture in there. And I used the same kind of a picture frame. Using white paint, I dry brushed all over the picture frame, and I attached all of those 4 picture frames together using permanent glue and also hot glue. And I also gave some beautiful greenery on top just to decorate the top of the window frame. It was kind of empty there, so I thought I should decorate with some greenery. And in the bottom I just got 2 of the wooden crates and I joined it together, and also I stuffed with lot of florals in there. And this is the welcome sign I got during fall. They were coming 3 together, and then I grabbed this welcome sign from there, which is like galvanized metal, and I stuck it to this flower box. And I loved Samie's window pane decor, so I thought like I should combine both together and do something like this. So I'm very happy about this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. And this DIY was inspired from Shayna's Robinson repurposing, and I love that galvanized truck, how she used and decorated that. So I wanted to recreate that project. So since I didn't have the burlap background, so I used a shelf liner with that kind of a color. So it's working out well here, I think. So I got one of the Dollar Tree sign and I used a shelf liner, and this galvanized truck I stuck in the center, and I attached two of those beads, wooden beads on the holes to just cover and also give like an embellishment to there. And in the bottom I just stuck burlap white chevron ribbon, and I stuck one of the brown button in the center and two wooden beads on either side. And I created a cluster of all the burlap ribbons together, which are neutral color, basically one with a lace, one with the polka dots, and one of the Farmhouse ribbon, and some white and some sheer, and some also lace ribbon, cotton lace ribbon. And I created a bow with all these together, and I stuck with one of the wooden button in the center. So this is the picture I'm in love with. So let me know your thoughts on this. So this one is inspired from Olivia's romantic DIY, and I just loved how she created one of those champagne glasses and with some of the wooden drawers. So I just wanted to recreate that idea here. Basically, I painted that wooden drawer, the top part, which has some design on it. Mine was having butterfly, so I just painted with the antique wax, and I painted black chalk paint for the champagne glass, and I painted it inside so I can see the glass outside, and also I filled it with lot of river rocks, and I placed one of the tea light candle in the center. When I was done with that, so I saw that there was a gap between the champagne glass and this wooden piece, so all I did was I wrapped it with one of the burlap string that I had, so that it covers, and also it gives like a decor in the center. So I'm absolutely loving this project, so let me know your thoughts on this. So these are the few favorite DIYs that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. Like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.